case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a striking ruling, the Supreme Court reversed a Ninth Circuit decision, clarifying the bounds of the Resource Conservation and Recovery Act of 1976, RCRA, in the case of Meghrig v. KFC Western, Inc. in 1996. This dispute originated when KFC Western sought to reclaim costs from Alan and Margaret Meghrig, the earlier owners of the Los Angeles property on which KFC's restaurant stood. The fast food giant wanted compensation for the expenses it incurred cleaning up an oil-contaminated soil inherited from the Meghrigs. Initially, the district court dismissed KFC's lawsuit, ruling that the RCRA, under which KFC filed its suit, did not allow for the recoupment of past cleanup costs. A twist came when the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals upturned this decision. A reversal subsequently brought to the doors of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court disagreed with the Ninth Circuit's interpretation and overturned their decision. The court clarified that the RCRA's provisions did not extend to private suits for the recovery of historical cleanup costs, only those concerning existing threats to health and the environment due to toxic waste. The court underscored that private citizens could not use the RCRA to recover costs for past cleanup operations. Instead, the law granted the right to sue only if the contamination presented a current, imminent, and substantial danger to health or the environment. The timing was critical. Past dangers were irrelevant under the RCRA. As a result, KFC's complaint was deemed defective, and their claim for past cleanup costs rejected. The Supreme Court did not comment on the possibility of a private party seeking an injunction requiring another party to pay future cleanup costs in the event of properly filing a RCRA citizen suit. The closure provided by this ruling gave a clear interpretation of the statutory limits of the RCRA, ensnaring the potential for private entities to seek retroactive remediation costs under this act.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.